Put your hands together for them. We are wonderful. Executive Vice Chairman of Ikwerre Local Government, leader of country. We can't take everybody, but you'll be representing. And let the people of Nigeria say, yes! Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Members of Norway, led by the chairman of Norway here present. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a wonderful day in our life as the people of Nigeria. We first of all thank God Almighty for giving us the ability of being healthy and being alive today, to stand here to mark and celebrate 62 years of Nigeria independence. To us as a government, it's a very important ceremony because it reminds us that the time we as Nigerians have started to take the mantle of affairs after our colonial masters departed the shores of this country. It is 62 years today. And by records, a 62-year-old man or woman is a full-blown adult and has no excuses to make over life. Because there is a saying that says a fool at 40 is a fool forever. And that brings to my attention the state of our country today. 62 years of we providing leadership and management of our resources in all spheres without interruption from any external force. Nigeria is bedeviled with insecurity, hunger in our land, attack of our independence from all other spheres of our country. A lot of our local government areas being taken over by criminal elements and non-state actors who have now grown so wide and have made it clear that we as a country do no more have the monopoly of violence, which is supposed to be controlled by our security agencies. We are not afraid to say that it doesn't matter how many times a man falls. What's important, how many times are you able to pick yourself up, dust yourself, and continue in this great race of developing a great nation called Nigeria. I want to remind all of us seated here today, we are all equals before the laws of our land. There is no special Nigeria. There is no Nigeria that is a slave in his father's land. So we all must contribute our quotas in every angle we find ourselves, whether in the public service, or in the private service, or in the security service, or even in the community service. If you want to build this nation, start from your little corner where you find opportunity. Nigeria can only be built if we all recognize that this nation belongs to nobody other than us. And there's nowhere under the planet Earth that we can call home other than Nigeria. I crave your indulgence to stop allowing the story that this country belongs to a certain set of persons. It belongs to all of us. And 2023 is now around the corner for us to select that leadership that we know that can solve all our problems. That is no more story to us. We want a leadership that will not tell us stories. If you say you are a unifier, start unifying from your home. Start unifying from your political party before you talk about unifying Nigeria. If you say you will develop, tell us what you have done in the past. Not just telling us victories. Tell us critical steps you will take to give us that development that we deserve. As Nigerians, we are tired of stories. Security agents are tired of stories. Community workers are tired of stories. Students are tired of stories. Workers are tired of stories. We are tired of making excuses. This is the time to build our Nigerian nation. Thank you and God bless you.